how to customize sound in Horror Tale 3. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize it. First of all, open the application. Now here in the power option, you'll be able to see settings. Tap on settings. So we're in the settings interface. Here, you'll be able to find different options that are available. Now here on the bottom, you'll be able to see this sound section. Now there's a slider too. So you can adjust the slider accordingly. So in this game, it's better to keep the sound to the maximum because you must hear the footsteps of the enemy. So it's better you keep it to the maximum or up to the maximum mark. So this is the perfect one. Now if you go back, it's all set and you're ready to play the game. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.